disgusted as I am with Donald Trump, I hope that precisely the shock of electing him will maybe trigger some restructuring of the entire political space. The problem with Trump is that for me, he's not simply evil. He's a brutal, manipulating pragmatic. He says this, a day after he said that, and it's important in this confusion now which force will prevail. What I didn't like about the prospect of Hillary's victory is that precisely, of course, she would have been, in some sense, much better, more open for social, other freedoms, and so on. But this would have put us asleep, in the sense of, okay, we avoided the worst, now we can sleep calmly. No, we cannot. Again, we need an awakening. It's a nice paradox for Hillary. To win, she should not have played the role of the big unifier. Her coalition was absurd. Her coalition was Wall Street and Occupy Wall Street, Saudi Arabian money and LGBT and all those sexual liberation movements and so on and so on. It was a fake ideological formation. It was brutal global capitalism with a human face. The true loser is the liberal elite, which simply lost contact with anxieties and so on of the ordinary people. You see primitive ordinary people. Why are they primitive? They were not always primitive. They fall into these primitive passions because the alternative, what they, the elite, was offering them no longer works. Ordinary people didn't identify with an ideal Trump. They perceived him as one of us precisely through his vulgarities, mistakes, and so on and so on. That's how political identification works. That's a big lesson.